Alrighty, good. It's afternoon. Good afternoon. It is Thursday, June 17th, 2021. It is vlog 111, 111. Is that a lucky number or make a wish? Or is it 1111? Yeah, it's 1111. But anyways, awesome. It's Thursday. Yeah, kind of like a weird morning. It was slated to be sunny today, but it ended up turning. I was just outside. It was like gloomy. It's kind of weird, like a warm, gloomy, kind of weird June month or day, I should say. But yeah, this week again is flying. It seems like like me and Carrie were talking. It's like already halfway through June, so it's halfway through the year. It's crazy. And we were talking about what we want to do, and yeah, what did I say? There's a couple things I want to learn how to. Actually, I'm getting my system together to share the 4 principles and also do like sound baths and stuff like that. Yeah, I want to do that. That's kind of cool. But I'm getting all like the things I need to actually go off or do it, and I'm finding out with the looper I'm gonna need more things. It's kind of crazy. I'm like, oh, I probably need one of these, and then yeah, to make it really nice. So, and I absolutely want to have a good sound. So, that's what I'm working on right now. And it's you sound engineers out there are amazing, because there's a lot of stuff to it, and I'm just trying to do it on a small scale. I can't even imagine on a huge scale. It's kind of crazy, but I will get through it. It's just another thing to learn and another skill that I can do. And I love music, so I guess I have to learn how to. One of the things I have to learn how to make it through whatever you have, and then learn all the tech behind it. There's like so much. It's like video editing, but this is audio editing, and I know it's a whole nother thing. So awesome. We continue to learn. That's what we do. But anyways, here, let's check out, speaking of the weather, let's check out the weather. Let's see if this works. Yeah, it works today. See, it's 66 right now, and I had a high of 70. But it's weird. It's like gray right now. It's kind of crazy. That's the weather today. But I kind of recapped on yesterday, but I want to hit on a few things, I think. We had a regular morning, and actually yesterday, I think me and Carrie were like, we have a good life. Even though all the things and struggles, like, yeah, right now we're kind of cool. And, we just want to, I don't know, kind of a weird point. Turning 50, midlife crisis. But yeah, it's just weird because there's a lot of things that I like to do, and I'm trying to like combine it all to do something that's cool, I guess. I don't know. But yeah, yesterday I had an appointment with Sean, customer. It was cool. Like, the people you meet he's a boat captain, and they did like, they take people out in the ocean to do funerals and stuff. I was like, wow, that's kind of cool. I used to be honor guard for the Air Force, and I used to go down to there's like a cemetery over there by March Air Force Base. We used to live there for funerals and stuff, but it's kind of crazy. Just seeing that kind of stuff is pretty nuts. It's kind of weird, though, that I did honor guard. I think about that sometimes, because I used to fold flags for widows and do the 21 gun salutes and stuff like that. It was pretty gnarly. Yeah, it was kind of cool. Things that you do in life. And then he was checking out the hand pans. Wanted to try some out, and he loved it. It's kind of trippy. Hand pans, like, I'm like right in the middle of it all, I guess, and I see them all the time, and I have a couple. But there's not a lot out there, and it always trips me out when people come in. They're like, wow. And then he loved it. He was just all, I want to get one. But he has to come back in a week, so we'll see. The Maddie handpan lesson, that was good. Always I'm starting to like look forward actually to Wednesdays to going up there because Maddie is awesome to work with. 8 years old, yeah, it's fun, and we get to play. Sometimes it's cool. Like we were, the last time we were racing around the tennis court, and they wanted to do it again today. It was pretty funny. Like Hattie was whispering in my ear because we were all talking. She's like, "Hey, can we race on the tennis court?" I was laughing. Hattie, you're cute. And then Tim is always showing it, and it's crazy because like Tim's like he's the one that said it. He's like, yeah, I love this time. Like I look forward to Wednesday hanging out and playing, like because he brings his handpan and we all hang out and play. And while I teach Maddie, it's kind of good, a good teaching environment because everybody's happy. Stephanie sits there and then we have some crazy conversations because we talk about aliens because she's into that. And then Tim, he's just an awesome, like, lived a life. He's lived a life and still, going at it, and it's cool. I love conversing with him, and yeah, we have good vibes. Good vibes. And actually, it was crazy because they had a party, I guess last Friday, and Maddie was playing handpan for them all. That was cool, and she actually taught somebody how to play handpan. That's what Tim was telling me, and I showed him how to play. It was kind of crazy because they're like right at that point. I talked to Maddie. I was like, "Yeah, this is part of the 4 principles. It's harmony. You're teaching people," and she was like, "Yeah," like she just had this proud look on her face. It was kind of cool. So that was pretty awesome for an 8-year-old. Woo, good stuff. And yeah. And then we raced around the court again. That's so funny. They beat me, of course, except in the time. We had time individuals. I beat them in the time frame, but they beat me racing around the court. It's funny. But anyways, all those good times. And then Ook Social after that, and then it was a mano a mano with Nikki, and that's always good. Nikki always has some songs she wants to work on, and we do some cool stuff and good times, man. I learn a lot just in those one-on-one sessions because it's more open, I guess. You're not catering to everybody, but it's cool. It's fun. But then we're on. I was totally in the middle of a song and the internet died and lost the full feed, and I guess that was the end of it. But it was good times. Nikki was awesome. And then had salmon and rice for dinner. It was good. Today it was kind of like a regular morning. Actually, I had breakfast. I had the Hawaiian breakfast, bacon, rice, and egg. So good. And then, but you can substitute the bacon for Spam. Yeah. Yes, I like Spam. DII. We just did some customer follow-up and just clean house and stuff. But now I'm just chilling. Actually, I think I'm gonna loop a little bit. I want to try some stuff, and then didn't play any things, but I think I'm working on a new song. It's so crazy. What is it? Wait. I think that's what it's gonna be. Oh no, this is it. Okay, there we go. I forgot my own song. It's so funny. Here we go. lyrics to that too, so it's gonna be cool. Yeah, and actually, yeah, that's all that's happening today. But tomorrow is Friday, and that's gonna be. Oh yeah, I have appointments tomorrow at DII. It's gonna be cool. Hopefully, I get a chance to do some more music. I'm still practicing the looper, which is fun. And yeah, there's a bunch of ideas. There's a couple things I have to try out and see if I can do them. And then, yeah, I'll start sharing that. It's gonna be fun. The looper is super fun. It actually helped me make up that song. And oh gosh, it's gonna be fun to do. But anyways, it is Thursday. It is June 17th, 2021. It is vlog 111, and like always, every day, keep on strumming ukulele.